So in there I've got 2 chicken breasts, no skin, no bone, cut into fairly chunky pieces. So that's about 700 grams in total. What we're going to do in this mixing bowl is add 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1/4 cup olive oil, or an olive oil of your choice. It's up to you. And then let's just take a look here. We've got a teaspoon each: salt, pepper, thyme, oregano, and sweet paprika. We're going to give that a mix. So I've got that pan on medium heat. Just put it on. We're going to just drop our mixture in, and we're going to cook this for around 5 or so minutes, stirring every now and then. Very nice. Okay, we're going to take 1 can, a regular sized can of tomatoes. That was a whole plum tomato. I just crushed it up with my hand a little bit. So that's a 400 ml can. We're now going to go on a nice low heat. I'm going to get it to a simmer, and we're going to go for about 6 minutes. And give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. That is looking really beautiful, really beautiful. So easy. I'm going to finish this off with some parsley, a flat leafed parsley. If you want, you could be using a basil or basil, as many of you call that. Little mix, job done. That's delicious. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.